Today, I'm going to teach you how to see all comments in Google Sheets. This is particularly useful when you're collaborating with a team and need to quickly review all the feedback or notes left across your spreadsheet without hunting through individual cells. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with the workspace where your spreadsheets are stored. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Workspace dashboard. This is where all your files and folders are organized. From here, simply locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to see all the comments. This will open the file in Google Sheets, allowing you to access all its features and content. Now take a look at the bottom of your screen where all the individual sheets are listed. This is the Sheet tab area, and it's where you'll find a really handy feature. If any sheet contains comments, you'll notice a small indicator showing the number of comments present. For example, in my case, I can see the number 4 inches on my sheet labeled Sample Sheet. This tells me there are 4 comments scattered throughout that particular sheet. To view all these comments at once, simply click on that number indicator. In this case, I'll click on the 4 inches next to my sample sheet. A small menu will appear, and from there, click on See All. This action triggers Google Sheets to compile and display every comment in one convenient location. Now on the right side of your screen, a panel will open up showing all the comments. This panel makes it incredibly easy to scroll through each comment, see who left it, and understand the context without having to jump around the spreadsheet. You can also reply to comments directly from this panel, resolve them, or even navigate to the specific cell where the comment was made by clicking on it. And that's it. You've successfully accessed all comments in your Google Sheet in just a few clicks. This feature is a real time saver, especially when working on large projects with multiple collaborators. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.